Yo, this is 2-1. Right now, if you look that way, it's pitch black. Pitch black. We're in the middle of the main road. Yo, there's nothing out here. Look, I'm flashing the flashlight. Nothing down the road. You can't see shit. He looks like a snowman. Hi, babe.
Hi.
Yo, this is. I don't know how y'all in the city, but over here it's looking real bad. Also, I mean, look, this is the road. They haven't plowed it yet over here. Look at us. We are. We are. Oh my God, this is amazing. Wow. You can't even see up our road. Wow. This is us. Wow. This is a fucking storm, man.
The
Wow.
middle of nowhere.
Huh? Huh?
The middle of nowhere. Between the mountains.
No light. We have no street lights over here. This is no street lights. There's no such thing as street lights over here. This is the middle of our road over here. This is crazy, y'all. This is amazing over here. I love it. This is a fucking winter wonderland. Well, this has been our 11 o'clock reporting for YouTube 654 Entertainment. You already know. Well, catch you guys later. Peace out.